right, today we're going to talk about division with arrays. Now you're thinking, we did arrays with multiplication. Well, since division and multiplication are opposites, we can also use arrays in division. We're just going to create them a little bit differently. So if I had 42 divided by 6, and I wanted to use our grouping strategy, I would sit down and I would draw 42 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, all the way up to 42. And I have a mess on my paper. I might have a difficult time trying to make sure that I group 6 together. I might group 5 in some, and 6 in another, and 7 in another. I want to be able to organize my groups and make less work for me and more accurate computation. So let's take a look at how we could use arrays to make this a little bit easier. Same problem, 42 divided by 6. We know that arrays are a group of objects in rows and columns. So if I had 3 times 2, I would have 3 rows with 2 in each row, making almost like a rectangle, and that's my array. With division, I'm going to make my rows, I'm going to draw out my 42 items and make my rows of 6. So I'm going to count until I get to 42. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got my first row of 6. I'm just going to keep going and line them up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Looks much more organized than what I did before. So I've got an array just like I did up here, but I have them in rows of 6 and I've divided out my 42. So now all I have to do is go back and circle how many rows did I make. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. I don't have to count how many. I know that there's 6 in each of those groups because I made my rows and my columns, and I know that 42 divided by 6 is 7. So let's look at a word problem. Brandon found 45 rocks on the playground. He wanted to put them into bags. He put 5 rocks in each bag. How many bags of rocks did Brandon have? So I have 45 rocks divided by 5 rocks in each bag. And now I want to know how many bags. So I'm going to put them in groups of 5. So here's one bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I've already got them in my groups of 5. I don't have to go back and do that step. Now I've just got to count how many rows I have. Choose a color that's going to show up better. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm not doing so great drawing. 9. I have 9 rows, so 45 divided by 5 is 9. So let's take a look at our steps. Draw X's for each number in your dividend. Remember, that's your big number. Then, as you draw, you put them in rows by your divisor, your smaller number. Count how many rows you have, and this will give you your quotient. I hope that dividing with arrays will help you organize a little bit better when you are grouping.